It's a trap!
Hey kiddos! Playing with soft clay is always fun, and making creative stuff out of it is a pleasure. There's a wide range of ideas to make various models out of clay. Today I will teach you an easy method of making a basket filled with eggs out of clay. Let's begin by taking a brown colored clay, roll it till softened. Use a rolling pin or a marker will do if you don't have one. Just roll it into circular pizza bread. Lightly press it with a scale to mark it into half. Do the second marking to further divide it into 4 pieces. Divide the pizza into 8 equal portions. Further marking 3 slits in each pizza slice. So overall, it has been divided into 24 slits as shown. Keep any bottle cap and mark the circle in the center. Cut off the marked slits now with a butter knife, leaving the circular center uncut. Take any bowl and put it in a plastic bag. And tie it. Apply any greasy cream or lotion for easy removal of the basket from it after completion. Place the clay pizza sheet on the bowl. Take a black shaded clay and roll it into a rope. Lift alternate strips of the brown clay placed on the bowl as shown. Just roll the black rope around the hanging strips. When completed, bring down the lifted strips. Roll a black clay and place it at the base to make it firm. For the second layer, lift the strip under the black rope alternately. Repeat the rolling of black clay rope again. Just fold the final edges and press it. Remove it from the stencil bowl and gently compress it to give a narrow shape to the basket. Out of white clay, make few small oval-shaped eggs and place them in the basket. Wasn't it easy? Guys, I shall be soon up with many more clay modeling ideas. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep connected to Zaib's Art Beat. Do share this video and send me your suggestions through your valuable comments. Till then, keep crafting. Bye-bye.